Hello friends, today's topic under Trump, which stocks in our market may go up. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is Financial Education of Society. Everybody is curious. Trump is taking over as the president of USA. And if it takes over, which are the sectors and the stocks that may go up in India? It's a very interesting assumption and very interesting research. Today, we have made a video on that. Donald Trump will formally assume office as the 47th President of the United States from today. Global markets have rallied today due to expectation of positive news. The trajectory of global stock markets the next few days depends on the US President's policy announcements. This will have an impact on the actions of FIs. Investors will be interested in Donald Trump's government decisions and actions towards number one, import tariff policy of the USA, two, approach to address geopolitical tensions, especially regarding the Russia-Ukraine war, issues in the Middle East, three, decisions to reduce US inflation, four, actions to promote uncertain economic outlook of the US and global economy. Trump has promised a brand new day of American strength at a rally yesterday. He is expected to issue multiple executive orders immediately after taking over president. Market experts believe that Trump administration will prioritize American interests through tariffs and trade agreements which may put pressure on countries like China, Japan, South Korea and Vietnam. However, nations like India, Indonesia, Malaysia and Thailand could benefit the US focuses on these interests. Experts expect Trump's second term to boost defense companies. As per analysts, the following sectors could benefit if Trump's policies are as expected. Sectors which may do well under Trump's administration. 1. IT sector. The previous term, Trump's government encouraged American companies to invest in domestic manufacturing and infrastructure. It opened up new opportunities for Indian IT firms to provide cost-effective solutions in data analytics, automation, cloud computing, and AI. Example, TCS, Infosys, HCL Tech, Wipro, Tech Mahindra, etc. 2. Energy and defense. Energy and defense were also key sectors that benefited from Trump's presidency last time. Trump's policy of increasing defense spending the US translated into rising opportunities for Indian companies involved in defense manufacturing. Example, Hindustan Aeronautics, Bharat Electronics and L&T, etc. The US had greater defense collaboration with India which led to increased defense deals including the purchase of military hardware from India. There were several deals signed between US and Indian companies during this period. Third sector to benefit is banking and financial services. Various decisions which indirectly benefited Indian banks and financial institutions. Example, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, SBI, Kotak Bank, etc. 4. Automobiles. Last time, the Indian automobile sector also showed growth under Trump's victory, particularly in the export market. US trade policies, which initially caused concern, turned out to be beneficial to Indian car makers due to the ongoing demand for affordable cars in the US. Example, Maruti Suzuki, Mahindra & Mahindra and Tata Motors saw positive movement in the stock prices. Here is an announcement. SIP ಮತ್ತು SWP ಚಮತ್ಕಾರ ಒಂದು ಚರ್ಚೆ YouTube live discussion for all channel members tomorrow 21st January Tuesday at 9:15 p.m. on Dr. Bharath Chandra Institute Kannada channel. Global investors are waiting for Trump's inaugural speech after being sworn in as the US president since it may give hints on what plans he has for the US. End of the video. Here is the question. Which is the second largest public sector bank in India? There are four choices. A. Canara Bank, B. Indian Bank, C. Bank of Baroda, D. Union Bank of India. If you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye and all the best.